Hello, Clever Cubs. I am astronaut Aisha and we are going to explore planet Earth. But first, don't forget to subscribe to Clever Cubs by Aisha. Buckle up. Are you ready to fly with me? Let's go. Wow! Look, kids. There it is. The planet Earth. Earth is the only planet where we all live. Do you see? It's mostly blue because most of Earth is covered in water. About 70% of Earth is water,
Wow.
ocean, river, and lakes, and only 30% is land where we live, build houses, and grow food. Did you know Earth has a special friend, the moon?
Really?
It goes around Earth all the time and makes the night beautiful and bright. The moon also helps control the waves in our ocean. Do you know, kids? Earth has a special blanket around it called the atmosphere. It keeps us safe from the sun rays and protects us from the space rocks. It gives us oxygen to breathe and stay alive. Isn't that amazing, kids? Remember, kids, we must take care of our planet and keep it clean and green. This was astronaut Aisha. See you on our next space adventure. For this, don't forget to subscribe Clever Cubs by Aisha. Bye bye.